I'm Roger with Lion Technology, and we're back with another episode of Lion Now, your video guide to the latest headlines that impact environmental, safety, and hazmat professionals. Before we start this week, if these videos are helping you keep track of regulations that impact your job, or if you just enjoy them, please like and share this one to let us know. Now, on to the news. Many articles are regulated as dangerous goods in transport: tear gas, batteries, engines, fire extinguishers, and a lot more. But what about less common articles, those that don't get their own name and UN number in the regulations? The 2019 IATA DGR and the 2018 IMDG code contain new options for shipping large, unlisted articles that could provide more flexibility for shippers. Of course, there are strings attached, so check out Lion News for the details. Next, Lion Hazardous Waste instructor Rosie Batone continues her quest to bring you unique, expert insights about D001 hazardous wastes. Last time, Rosie guided us through a creative management option for D001 liquid wastes. This week she's back with some cool facts you may not know about non-liquid D001s. And finally, EPA Administrator Andrew Wheeler has reportedly announced that over the next 30 days or so, EPA will reveal its replacement to the 2015 Waters of the United States Rule, or WOTUS rule. Check out our WOTUS coverage over at Lion News and subscribe to make sure you never miss an update about this historic rulemaking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. We'll see you next week with more news and insights for EHS and Hazmat Pros.